We are at one of our demonstration sites on the Barkly for our Ready Rangelands Mitchell grass recovery project.
In each of the paddocks that we're monitoring, we have these exclosures. They're 100 metres by 100 metres and they're set up to exclude all grazing so that we can compare grazed pasture versus non-grazed pasture. One of the ways that we quantify the change in Mitchell grass is to do what's called transect lines. So we have 2 pickets and we walk between each picket with a 1 metre by 1 metre square, and we place that on the ground and we actually record every species that is inside of that quadrat, and we repeat that along the transect line, and we do that inside the exclosure and outside the exclosure. So we have really good data on what the pasture composition is and have a look at whether there's any trends in changes, whether the Mitchell grass is increasing or whether other species are increasing and which ones are decreasing. We use this opportunity to introduce a lot of technology that we could be using to have a look at how cattle graze the paddock. So some of the cattle are wearing GPS collars, so we can have a look at where they're going in the paddock and when. We're also using drones to have a look at ground cover, any ground cover change inside and outside.
We're flying all the study sites with a drone equipped with an RGB camera as well as multispectral sensors, which is particularly useful for showing up vegetation and monitoring changes in vegetation.
And we'll be able to repeat that every year and monitor the change over time.
I think an important part of the Ready Rangelands project is to deliver a seeing is believing approach. So we've really focused on creating lots of extension materials and collecting data that we're able to give other producers and present in different ways.
To my knowledge, this is the first time that this type of technology and methodology has been used, and we're really excited to see what it can do.